guys, it's currently the 2nd of October and I just came back from work. It's almost 17 o'clock maybe, and I plan to go see a capsule collection, which is something you can see for free and I won't tell you a lot, but as you can tell from the title, it's by Louis Vuitton. I can't pronounce it. I just want to see what it's all about before it closes, which is next week, and I don't have much free time, so I want to go today, even though the weather is really bad, as you could see before. But first of all, I want to show you some tea I got. Oh, it's not focusing. So I did order some teas because I don't have any here. I will just show you in the package what I got. Is by my favorite tea brand, which is Teegeschwende. I will link it in the description box if you're interested. Check it out. This is what I bought in the supermarket. Actually, it's a really good tea. I would recommend this. I just had one before at work. We have burnt almonds, which is something I want to try for the first time. This is a sample from a Christmas tea, actually. Best composition, a very exclusive composition for Christmas time. Will definitely tell now. This I picked up because the name is funny, because it's a Karl-Heinz is a really old German typical name. It's a bit more creamy and should warm you from the inside. It's perfect for this kind of weather. Then I got teas I already had before in bigger packages, and this one is a white tea. This is a very soft tea, so you can drink it anytime like water. It doesn't have a lot of, it has a flavor, but it's, how can I describe it? It's very soft. And this is my fig rose tea. I featured in one of my favorites videos. If you want, I will link this in the card and you can check it out if you like. This is my little tea haul. So then we have one spoon, which is for free, and this will make me survive winter. I actually want to try one now. I will have, I want my fig rose tea actually, so I'm not gonna try the new ones. Sorry. I'm gonna wash this. This is my little box for lunch. We got it. I'm walking to my destination now because I don't know exactly where the buses drive from. So but I know the area where the exhibition is, so I can basically run from here. As you can see, the weather is great. It's really, it's not very nice today, but I don't mind the weather actually, because it was very sunny yesterday. It's always changing here since I came here. But it's still busy. This place where the exhibition is a very touristy area. So I guess it's always busy here. because I can't carry my umbrella at the same time as my camera. My camera is actually getting wet, so maybe I'll just pull it out later. But I think I have to run like 1 block and that's it. Well, I guess if I look at the trees at my place, where there are actually trees, it's getting autumn. It's a bit sad, but I also feel very happy because I like the changes. I mean, if it would be always summer, it would be bad. But when I skipped into the bus before, the bus was heated so much, an old man actually was complaining about it being too hot for now, because it's not that cold today. It was colder the other days, but overall, I don't feel like it's too bad. I actually feel it's okay if it's not that rainy, but before it rained really hard, so everything is so wet. When I came outside of my work, it wasn't really my day. A few things gone wrong, and I was very stressed, but at the same time I was kind of amused about the situations, you know what I mean? And I'm still walking. Just always in construction. I never saw this place without any constructions. I'm sorry, my face is so close, but I can't kind of hold the camera further away. It's really hard to do. So you can't even see anything from the environment, I guess. But maybe it's better if I film on my phone. I just took my camera for photos. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm trying to hold both, but it's quite impossible, I guess. I just went all the way back because I got lost. I can't find it. I don't really know the way again. If it doesn't appear now, I guess I will look it up. It did appear, but this time it seems close. If it's close, I'm very sad. I actually went very late because I thought there would be nobody there. But I guess it's already closed now. No, I'm so sad. No, it's not closed. This way. Hi. It's really Capsule, so it's in an old building upstairs and they made all the walls grey, so it's really hard to film. Apparently I started at the wrong edge. I'm going back. the cruise 2018. Second is designed by Marc Jacobs. And the last one is from 1914, which is super old. It's so huge. And it's shrinked. This looks like a chocolate bar.
Noch eine ist diese Symmetrie, ne? Nicht genau, wenn es so ist. Ja, stimmt. Auch es gibt eine Diagonal, zum Beispiel hier.
I found the Batmobile. There's always something strange on the street. It's not raining anymore and I'm on the way home. What I like about rain in the city, it's not that cold actually, so it's okay. What I like about it is the reflections on the floor, and the wet floor makes very nice reflections for pictures. For example, here on this side, I'm not sure if you can see it well. nice, the wet leaves and the color of the leaves mixed with the rain. I know it's very loud. Well guys, I'm back home. I will finish this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it a little bit. I learned a bit about Louis Vuitton. First I kind of thought it was a woman all of the time. I don't know why. And I didn't know anything about the brand. Now I know a little bit more and I'm glad I went. I think this exhibition wonders, but I'm not sure in which cities, but if you want you can check it out. It's called the Louis Vuitton Capsule exhibition, just in case you're interested. I'll leave the homepage down below. Also, if you want, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is also details91 and I post OOTDs there and more polished pictures, and for random stuff like Pokemon Go and stuff like that or drawing I'll use Twitter. So if you're interested, feel free to check that out too. Wish you a nice day though.